Hey everybody, my name is 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗘𝗖𝗧, CEO and founder of Yacht Center, a platform built to help simplify crew operations and business operations in the yachting industry. From here, I'd like to introduce our crew platform to you guys. Once you sign up for YCC, you can complete free access to this dashboard to help you simplify your service bookings and order management. From here, I'd like to introduce our dashboard. It gives you a complete overview of your personal account, showing you all of your orders, whether confirmed, pending, denied. Here we have 4 confirmed orders. Also have access to your invoices. So when it comes to orders that are confirmed with the vendor or manufacturer, you get a complete invoice right here that you just pay, and it goes directly to them. Here you also have your booking summary. Shows you all the bookings that you have, different sort of tasks that you put into your calendar, test ones, crew service booking, or service booking, whether it be exterior detailing cleaning, interior cleaning, varnish company, engineering company, it doesn't matter. You can do it here. There, you also just see a quick summary of tasks coming into the system. From there, we move on to the crew management, crew document side of everything, where you can see identification, documentation, certificates, medical, employment, yacht, and insurance. Here, we can just view all. This is a sample document that we put into here. You could view it, download it, or trash it, whatever is your fancy. It just gives you a central location to track all your documentations. I know for myself personally, as a crew member, I would just have things in all different locations, CVs, different versions of CVs, crew contracts, in my book bag, and my handheld stuff. And you're just trying to keep everything in one digital location. Here it is, operates 24/7, that you can track everything related to your operations. From here, we move on to our calendar. You'll be able to see everything that comes to bookings or orders placed through the YCC system. You can either add new events, enter the title, location, Google Meets, in person, and it sends emails directly to guests that you would like to add in. So for example, here, we add a guest, add myself, and invites, and then an email would be sent directly to them. So say if you have a day worker coming on board, or a crew member and you're away on leave, and you need somebody to complete a specific task, you can contact with them and you can add it to the calendar and then invite them to that task so they can go ahead and complete it for you. From here, we move on to our financial management section, where you will see all the different invoices. So this is a quote that we received from one of the service providers. You can see everything, taxes, discount applied, and your payment method, which you would be able to do in your bookings. So here we have a confirmed booking. Come here at 3:34. You can go ahead, you can make a payment, view history, or if you have any issues when it comes to this goes directly to the support team, directly to myself or the operational team that can handle any queries or any complications that come with either a service provider or a delivery done. Here you'll see the booking information, the scheduled date, contact information for the vendor, and of course, paying right there. If you want to, you can browse through, create another booking, search specifically for what you need, and you can just scroll directly through here. From there, we'll go to our orders. We have 4 confirmed orders right here. If you want to create an order, you just come down, you can look through the entire marketplace for, let's do 3 test products. Adds directly to your cart, go to your cart, and you just proceed to check out and put your shipping address, exactly where it needs to be going, country, delivery date that you're looking for, say 31st, complete overview, plus our platform fee on top of that, and you confirm the order, good to go. Done. And that, you'll see that updated in your order section, which is pending. So when that vendor or supplier confirms the order, you could just go in, for example, this one, go in, and then you'd be able to select a rate for what kind of shipping you would need or what kind of shipping you'd want. So second day air, next day air saver. We work with a lot of the biggest logistics providers to help simplify and make sure everything gets to you guys in a timely fashion. So you either select, confirm all, that buys the shipping label, that also auto-generates that invoice, and so you guys can pay that, and then just complete your order, and it gets shipped directly to you. That shipping label then gets sent to the supplier or the manufacturer, where they put it onto your order and ship it directly to you. It's that simple. Here you have notifications, complete overview of the notifications in your system, orders placed, rates are now available, etc. Come down to your report section, where you can generate a report between different dates, like type, orders, PDF. You can also see a complete overview from here, but this gives you more centralized informational hub if you want to have specific orders brought up from specific dates that you can then coordinate against one another in different invoices. There you generate the document, pull that bad boy up, and then you can see all the information there. There you'll have, I move myself, you have settings where you can change your password, just, easy, simple settings when it comes to your personal account. Or you can enter your information, your reply to, your phone number, etc. from right here. It's a very simple dashboard, easy to use, but highly effective. Or if you have any questions and whatnot, you can just come down to your personal AI assistant in the right-hand corner and ask it anything you want. What's 2 plus 2? Four. Easy enough. So if it goes into your location, say you're in Naples, Italy, and you're looking for a very specific vendor or item or a service provider to come complete a job for you based off your geographical location, this AI bot will be able to pull up that information. If they're partnered with us, you can book directly through us. If not, it gives you the contact information for really anything that you would need throughout the US and the EU. It's a very simple onboarding process, but this dashboard was designed to be as simple as possible to help maximize efficiency on board and helping improve the yachting industry and bring it into a modern age that just so desperately needs to catch up to. So with that in mind, thank you for watching. If you want to book a demo with us, we have a link below in the description where you can book either with myself or one of my team members, and we get you onboarded, assisted, any sort of questions you might have around the system. We can answer it. We at the Flips Boat Show, so looking forward to meeting everybody and continuing rolling out the YCC platform. So yeah, thank you everybody for watching. Have a good blessed day.